What's up mga besh mga boy? This is your boy Dangas TV, your online mechanic, and for today's vlog, magpapalit po tayo ngayon ng brake hose natin mga besh mga boy, harap at likod. So alam nyo na, you know the drill, let's go, roll the intro.
Are you ready?
At bago tayo magsimula mga besh mga bay, napansin ko lang na halos 90% ng nanonood sa atin ay hindi nakasubscribe. Pasuyo naman, pasubscribe po sana ako ng channel natin at target ko po sana ngayong taon na to. Umabot po sana tayo ng 1,000 subscriber. So tara, let's go! So una sa lahat mga besh mga bay, kailangan po natin ng brake fluid. Saka ito po yung star screw or Phillips screw para tanggalin po yung cover ng reservoir natin. At kailangan din po natin ng open at close or box wrench para sa banjo bolts. At saka ng 8 mm na box at saka open wrench para sa bleeder valve natin. So, yun lang po yung kailangan natin para magawa yung pagpalit ng brake hose natin mga besh mga bay. At ito po yung ipapalit natin na brake hose at may langaw pa. Yung drag brake hose sa harap mga besh mga bay at meron na din pong kasamang dalawang tanso na washer at holder ng brake hose at sa likod naman mga besh mga bay, Earls po yung gagamitin natin. Una sa lahat mga besh mga bay, lagyan lang po natin ng hose yung bleeder valve natin para hindi po magkalat yung brake fluid natin pag nag-drain po tayo ng brake fluid natin mga besh mga bay. So una po sa lahat, tanggalin lang po natin yung takip ng reservoir natin gamit yung star screw or Phillips screw. Sa video na to mga besh mga bay, tawagin ko na lang po to na star screw. At dahan-dahan lang po yung pagtanggal nito mga besh mga bay. Ingatan nyo po na wag matapon yung brake fluid sa kahit anong cover natin. Kasi po corrosive yung brake fluid natin mga besh mga bay. Huwag nyo nang itanong kung paano ko nalaman yun. At tatanggalin na po natin yung banjo bolt dito sa baba mga besh mga bay gamit yung 12 mm na box wrench natin. Bago nga pala natin tanggalin yun, luwagan po muna natin yung bleeder valve ng caliper natin para hindi tayo mahirapan mag-bleed. Pag naluwagan nyo na yung bleeder valve natin mga besh mga bay, pump nyo na lang po yung brake lever nyo hanggang sa maubos po yung brake fluid sa reservoir.
Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a f***ing name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little vice in. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent, and it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots, if I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up.
At ayun na nga, muntik pa magasgas yung cover natin.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams into modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this.
Bahagya yung brake hose natin para umakyat yung mga hangin na naiwan sa loob ng brake hose natin. Higpitan lang po natin yung bleeder valve natin at pump po natin yung brake lever natin sabay katok ng bahagya at nakikita nyo po mga besh mga bay, umaakyat po yung mga hangin at nakikita nyo po na nagbabubbles yung brake fluid natin sa reservoir. At pump lang po natin yung lever, hawak, bukas, sara, bitaw. Hawak, bukas, sara, bitaw. Ulit-ulitin lang po natin yung process na to mga besh mga bay at mararamdaman.
2 hours later.
At pag naramdaman nyo na tumitigas na yung brake lever natin, pwede nyo na pong luwagan yung banjo bolt sa taas at ay akyat yung hose natin sabay higpit. brake fluid sa maximum level at isara na po natin yung reservoir mga besh mga bay. At asikasuhin na po natin yung likod. Dahan-dahan lang sa paghigpit nito kasi mabilis maputol yung bolt na to mga besh mga bay. Based on my experience. Hugasan nyo po ng tubig yung mga natapon na brake fluid para hindi po masira yung mga pintura natin at kinakain po ng brake fluid yung mga plastic para hindi rin po masira yung mga cover natin. Wag nyo pong hahayaan na matuyo yung brake fluid sa motor nyo mga besh mga bay.
Huwag mong subukan. Masisira ang buhay mo.
O nga pala, maghanap tayo ng bolt sa savings natin para dito sa holder ng brake hose. Mabuti naman at may nahanap tayo.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Straight through, I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt, never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm, I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string, you don't understand the pain it brings.
Ayan na po yung finished product natin mga besh, mga bay. At doon na po nagtatapos yung vlog natin na napalitan na po natin yung harap na brake hose saka yung sa likod. Ayos na po, kumakapit na po yung brake natin. At hindi ko po pala nakabit yung hydraulic switch kasi iba po yung thread ng bolt ng nabili ko na hydraulic switch. Medyo lutang ako sa part na yon mga besh, mga bay. Hindi ko po chinek bago ko sinimulan yung mag-vlog. Kaya banjo bolt na muna yung nilagay natin sa panglikod natin. Wala po tayong brake switch sa likod. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe mga besh, mga bay. Padutod po ng subscribe button sa baba. At always remember, ride safe and don't forget to brush your teeth. Thank you. Peace out.